Picture this, 90 seconds to transform your life. Sounds impossible? Think again. Welcome to Easy Steps to achieve your goals in 90 seconds. Step 1. Define your goal. Make it clear, specific, and time-bound. I want to run faster isn't enough. I want to shave off 10 seconds from my mile time by May is more like it. Step 2. Break it down. Rome wasn't built in a day. Your goals won't be achieved in one either. Break them into manageable tasks and tackle them one at a time. Step 3. Consistency is key. Small efforts made daily lead to massive results. So stick to your plan, come rain or shine. Step 4. Celebrate small victories. Every step forward, no matter how small, is progress, so don't forget to pat yourself on the back. Step 5. Stay accountable. Whether it's a friend, family member, or a furry companion, find someone to hold you accountable. There you have it, 5 easy steps to achieving your goals in just 90 seconds. Now the ball is in your court. Which habit do you want to work on first? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so take that step today.